grade 9 class at Duncan Christian School was blessed to receive a full ITA grant. ITA stands for Industry Training Authority. With this generous ITA support, DCS was able to host a 2-day Youth Discover the Trades event. On the first day, in groups of 3, students assembled 12 friendship benches using materials that had been pre-cut by the DCS trades class. Students learned to use the necessary tools required to construct the benches. They were also able to practice relevant and essential soft skills, such as teamwork, critical thinking, and problem solving. DCS will be gifting the benches out to local associations and community groups.
So yesterday I enjoyed working as a team with my classmates and building a bench, and I learned how to use a drill and a square, whatever they're called. And I like seeing the end result, and it was really fun.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Yesterday was fun. We got to learn how to handle the drill a little bit better. We got to learn how to use a tape measure and how to measure things properly. And we got to learn how to use a square as well. And it was pretty fun.
Yesterday I thought it was a really fun experience to learn to make benches and learn how to use drills. And I thought it was fun because I got to know more about people I didn't know before. Yeah.
Woodworking was never really my kind of thing, and I'm not really good at it. but I actually ended up really enjoying building the benches and stuff, and you know, I might just take woodwork next year, I don't know. But yeah.